What were they thinking when they let us take you home? Could they not see the fear behind our eyes? You could fill up the Grand Canyon with the things we didn't know. We only knew our love for you was just as deep and wide. We got some things wrong and some things right. We had lovely dreams and sleepless nights, but every sunrise brings another chance to be surprised.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Wishing you all the best. Thank you for everything. Salamat sa pagpapalaki sa amin ng maayos. Sa lahat ng tulong, sa lahat ng efforts mo para sa aming magkakapatid. Happy Mother's Day also and happy birthday. I love you.
We're dancing through this one wild and precious life.
Hi, Mami! Happy birthday and happy Mother's Day. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung araw mo ngayon at maging masaya ka. And long live. Sana mahaba pang buhay mo at magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthday pa sa mga susunod na taon.
We didn't know how quickly you trade bicycles for cars.
Before, hindi natin nasa-celebrate yung mga nakaraang birthday mo because most of the time, hindi tayo magkakasama dahil you're working abroad and minsan mas kasi pina-priority natin yung ibang gastusin. And sineset aside natin itong importanteng i-celebrate talaga yung birthday. But this time, ayan, ito yung time na sana makabawi kami sa'yo.
We're dancing through this one wild and precious life. I'm holding all the memories, and I'm holding back my tears, and I'm treasuring this moment.
Sila ang lakas ko na pinagkukunan. Dahil siyempre, gusto mo nga may pangarap nga sa kanila na kasi yung edukasyon kasi ang number one talagang maipapamana ng magulang sa anak. So, talagang anak lang talagang pagkukunan ng lakas sa lahat ng hirap o pagsubok na pagdadaanan ng magulang.
Sometimes a leap of faith is the best thing we can do. 'Cause if we wait until we're ready, we're never gonna move. So we listen to the music and take one step at a time until we find that we are dancing. How I love to see you dancing through this one wild and precious life.
Happy birthday to our super mommy, our very beautiful mommy. Yes, today is May 11, 2025. So, eto na yung pinakahihintay natin. So, again, happy Mother's Day din sa'yo. You really deserve this grand celebration.
Salamat po at alam ko pong pinagpapasalamat din po ng kanyang mga anak, ang kanilang ina, Panginoon ay siyang gumabay, Panginoon hanggang sa sila ay magsilaki. Salamat sa kalakasang ibinigay mo, Panginoon, sa iyong anak na ito, sa kanyang mga anak na patuloy niyang nagiging kagalakan at kalakasan sa mga panahong ito. Panalangin po namin ang pinakamabuting buhay at pinakamabuting kinabukasan na igawad mo sa kanyang mga anak. At patuloy din sa kay Ate Nina, panalangin po namin ang marami pang mga taon na idadagdag mo sa kanyang buhay.
Now when I'm dreaming, I think of you, and when I'm awake, you're there too.
More birthdays to come. long and satisfying life and patuloy na maglingkod sa Panginoon.
Ang masasabi ko lang sa sister ko, sana dumating pa ulit yung birthday na ganito.
Kung iisipin mo, napakabilis ng panahon. Bilis ng panahon nagdaan. Tapos ngayon, senior na pa.
Breathe in your air, it's a gift just to be here. Nothing in this world can get me to leave here. 'Cause you will always be what's on my mind. And I could live for a lifetime like this to think of the miracles I would have missed. All I know is that I love you, and all I know is
Happy birthday, Mami. We love you so much. Hindi na tayo sobrang sweet lagi sa isa't isa. Ngayon, sinasabi ko sa'yo, mahal na mahal ka na. Love you so much.
I miss you a lot. Thank you for taking care of me when you are here. Taking me to school.
Hi, Mommy. Happy birthday po. Wish you all the best, Mommy. May the Lord give you more birthdays and years to come. And Mommy, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you. Thank you, Mommy, sa pag-aalaga mo kay Julia. Thank you for being here with us. You're a great blessing from the Lord, Mommy. Thank you so much po. Enjoy your day. We love you. We miss you so much.
Hi, Mamila! Happy birthday! Ako nga pala yung paborito mong anak. Joke! Happy 60th birthday! And I hope and pray na bigyan ka pa ni Lord ang mahabang buhay. And kung ano man yung ipinag-pray mo, ano man yung desire ng heart mo is i-grant ni Lord. And I thank God sa buhay mo na binigay ka niya sa amin as our mom. We are very grateful and blessed. Kundi dahil sa'yo, wala kami sa mga pinalalagyan namin ngayon. And also, you are the strongest person I've ever known, Mami.
Happy birthday, and syempre, sa lahat, I just wanna say na salamat ako kay Lord. Salamat ako sa Diyos kasi bigyan kami ng isang mother na katulad mo na with the heart and walang sawang laging maalala sa amin sa lahat ng oras at pagkakataon. Hindi mo kami pinababayaan. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga gabay at mga pagtuturo mo sa amin and mga advices kung ano mga dapat namin gawin.
You are the greatest gift that God gave us, and you are my inspiration. You are the strongest person I've ever known. I love you, Mommy, and we'll see you soon in Sydney. We love you
And wishing you to have the desires of your heart.
Have a good time in the Philippines. Bye. Love you.
Everything's better.
Marami po kami mga struggles na normal naman po sa mga tao, especially sa amin. And yun po mga struggles na yon and circumstances na inallow ni Lord na maranasan namin, yun naman din yung nagbigay sa amin ng maraming lesson in life.
Sa lahat ng mga narito ngayon sa aking kaarawan, mga kamag-anak, kaibigan, ako'y nagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat at pinaunlakan niyo ang aking paanyaya na dumalo sa aking dibo.
To keep living this life together. 'Cause honestly, everything's better. All I know is that I love you, and all I know is that's enough to keep living this life together. 'Cause honestly, everything's better. Honestly, everything's
happy birthday, Mami. And happy Mother's Day sa lahat. Let's toast to it. 1, 2, 3, cheers!
Cheers, guys!